Attention all career chasers. Ever caught yourself tossing and turning at night, stressing over if those late payments could affect your job hunt or come to light during a background check? Well, let's dive in deep and brush off the dust from the truth. Check this out. Typically, a job application process doesn't involve pulling out your credit score. However, some employers might take a sneak peek into your credit history through overall background checks. You might ask why. Apparently, it's a tool used to measure your financial potency and trustworthiness. If you've been slacking on payments, especially consistent and hefty ones, this could potentially wave a red flag to your prospective employers. They could interpret this as a sign of instability or poor mastery over your finances. Sounds daunting? Hold on. Here's the twist: not all is gloomy. Even if you've been clumsy with your payments in the past, it's definitely not the end of the world. Focus on amending your credit habits for the future and shell out your other impressive skills during the job application process. If the ghost of late payments keeps haunting your peace, why not confront it? Stay prepared to answer any raised eyebrows during interviews and roll out stories on how you've emerged stronger and smarter out of those financial blips. Remember, your credit history is just a segment of the larger picture. So, hold your head high, stay optimistic, and paddle steadily towards your career aspirations.